Okay, we got the second tower here of the asunto Rongankatu. Here Rongankatu 5-7 stycken. We have also been a stycken space, so you can also watch it. It's the same as this. The capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams and was built in 1961. Turning 60 years old this year in 2021. Actually 60 years, not 50 years. For some reason the information is wrong. It's 1961, not 1971. And yes, Horizon 2002. The demonstration is turning 20 years old in next year, 2022, but it will be inspected again. The capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams. The serial number is 9079 and it has 12 floors, but the basement floor is locked. Now let's ride it. The view from here also.
Yeah.
It's possible. Let's see. Roman numbers in this one, same as the this building. This is actually open right now. Better, different better. It's open from this. And I'm glad you view from here, but this building is a little bit blocking the view. That is the Tampere Megathero design by Larsson. It's very beautiful. I haven't been inside it yet, but someday I'll get there.
Yeah.
It's possible, but it's not on one days open. And you can see the former Cumulus Hotel Pinja, where it says that the elevator is out of order. It's not in use, so I don't know. But we can maybe check it also.
Yeah.
I haven't been in that building yet, but maybe we'll get there. I don't know what that has, but we can see it. Yeah, we can see the 1988 finished buildings, where I haven't been in those things yet. They're on Love India 5-7. Maybe we can also check that later. And that's the first floor. Continue. So the view is actually better from here because we could get outside.
Yeah.
The second speed was locked off. By the way, this was also the last older tower to be filmed in Tampere, at least as far as we know. There's only one more tower that we haven't filmed, or two. The Lapland Hotels Arena with 12 floors to be finished soon, and another that has like 18 floors finished already. I haven't been there yet, but you can check it later. Maybe not today, but some other time. And because this is the last older tower to be filmed, at least for now, as far as we know, we can take a second ride. And the silent one.
Tillbaka med den på Kone.
Yeah. Back to the first floor.
That's